Fedena is one of the fastest growing web-based information management systems that enables thousands of educational institutions manage their students, employees, and all the systems and processes necessary to run their institution efficiently. Let us see some of the basic functionality that Fedena brings to you. Fedena defines 4 user roles: administrator, employee, student, and parent. Each role will determine what the user can and cannot do within Fedena. Fedena consists of various modules. Each module can handle specific business processes of your institution, such as student admission, managing institution's finance, scheduling examinations, and many more. Let's take a look at some of Fedena's modules. You can configure the general settings for your Fedena institution under administration. Here, we do settings where we can tell Fedena about the institutional details. Once that is done, you can set up courses and batches. Inside a course, you can have more than one batch. And each batch can contain normal subjects as well as elective subjects. Institutions can create and manage any number of courses, batches, and subjects. You can receive and send text messages to Fedena users. The SMS settings can also be customized to deliver notifications when select activities are performed in Fedena. Now that you have your courses set up, let's add your teaching staff, non-teaching staff, wardens, and other employees. Your employees are your most valuable assets, and to effectively manage them, Fedena features the Human Resource module. Based on your institution's structure, you can set up employee positions, grades, departments, and payroll categories across your institution. Employee payslips can be generated with just a single click. Employee can apply for leave using the Employee Leave Management module. The attendance report can also be generated for a particular department. This can also be done for a particular duration. Moving on to another critical module is the Finance module. Finance module provides a fast and efficient way to register all your institution financial transactions, such as institution's fee, sales, purchases, salary, and many more. You can schedule fee collection and collect the fees. You can get a list of students who have not paid the fees within the due date. You also get various kind of reports regarding who has made partial payments or full payments regarding the fees. Now you're ready to admit the best ambassadors of your institution, that is, your students. Use the student admission module to effectively enter the data of the student and put them in Fedena. You can manage the complete student admission process here. You get a series of forms that you have to fill in. You can assign parent details for the student so that even the parent gets an option to log in Fedena. You can add one or more guardians for the student and enter his previous institute educational details. Once you have created and entered the profile of the student, the same will be available inside Fedena. The student will be able to log in using the admission number. Next, for your institution to function smoothly, you need a well-planned timetable. This timetable can be created for all your batches. Use the timetable module to create clear and error-free timetable within minutes. You can ensure the best utilization and optimization of teachers and employees across your institution. Employees and students can also log into their Fedena and view their timetables for the complete academic year. Besides creation of timetable, we can also check the work allotment for the teachers. We can also check the full timetable followed by the institute. We can substitute the teachers who will not be available to take the classes and also view the classroom's allocation. Take student attendance in your institution effortlessly with the easy-to-use attendance module in Fedena. You can take the attendance daily or based on the subjects. You can mark the students absent by mentioning the reason. You also get an option to bypass entering of reason for faster mode of attendance using the rapid attendance module. You also get various reports regarding attendance. You can choose this report for a particular date as well and view the absentees for that particular date. Now it's time to assess how much the students have learned about the subjects they have taken by conducting tests and examinations. Fedena's examination module will help you do all that. It supports 4 kinds of grading systems: ICSE, CCE, CWA and GPA. This selection of grading system can be done in the general settings. Here we get an option to create examinations for a particular batch. As teachers, after the evaluation, we also get an option to enter marks for the students along with the remarks. We can also mark the students absent in case they are not present for that particular exam, and they get an option to take retake. Teachers can then generate various types of reports, and the same will be available in their login as well. This will help them track and monitor a student's performance. The school's academic calendar can also be seen. That would be under academics. Here you get to see all the events and holidays as created by the administrator. The examination and fees due will automatically come in this academic calendar. When I log in as a student or as a teacher, I can check the upcoming events, the holidays, the examinations and fees due for that particular logged in user. Broadcasting news in the campus is made easy with the easy-to-use news module. You can create a news as an administrator, and this news will be available to all the users. When I log in as a user, I can also view the news and check the details about the news. I also get an option to comment on the news, although the administrator is the one who can moderate these comments. This way, you let the right and important news reach every corner of the institution. Students can be given remarks using the easy-to-use remarks module. As a teacher, when I log in, I can give remarks to the students of a particular batch. That can be on a particular class activity or any other general activity, and that remarks can be given by the class teacher or any other particular subject teacher. These remarks will also be available for the students for whom we have given the remarks when they log in. There are some very useful reports that you would find under the reports module. You can check the total number of courses, batches, students and employees. We also have exam related reports, fees related reports and employee and their subject association details. Then we have the internal messaging system that allows the administrator, employees, students and the parents to receive and send private and secure messages to other Fedena users based on their role. It also functions as an alert system where automatic alerts will be given to targeted users. Those alerts can be checked in the inbox. Then we have the user management module. User management gives you the authority to manage all user accounts. You can assign or delete any employee user privileges you want. You also get an option to change password of the users in case they have forgotten it. These are the core functionality Fedena brings to you. You can create a sandbox account to explore Fedena yourself. For more information online, you can visit our support portal support.fedena.com.